Hi there, Chris here. I have this little guard padlock. It is, I think it's 40 millimeter. Nice little padlock. There's the bitting on the key. It doesn't like to be picked much, but we'll see if I can get into it. Use top of the keyway. It has a lot of play in it. I'm not sure why these are kind of tough to pick, but I have found them kind of tough little picks. I'm gonna reset. Felt like a click off one. Not much feedback. And that was no sets. There we go. Yeah, not much feedback and hard to figure out how much tension to put on here. I think if I take out all that slop, it's more difficult to pick. Anyway, that is a guard security padlock. There's the key. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, hit the like. Thank you to my new subscribers, and we will see you next time.